Concord's new Search Options menu was designed to make it easier to use some of Concord's advanced search functionality. You'll find the Search Options menu just below the search bar. You can open the menu by clicking on the words Search Options. When you open the menu, you'll see that there are 4 different types of advanced searches you can conduct using the new Search Options menu. Those searches are stemming search, case-sensitive search, range search, and proximity search. We have separate help articles and videos explaining each of these searches in depth, but if you'd like a quick preview, you can hover your mouse over the title of any search and it will pop up with a brief explanation. To find the longer help article, which explains how to use each search, you can click on the small question mark across from the type of search you're interested in learning more about, and it will navigate you to our Help Center. For now, I'll simply show you how to activate and deactivate some of these advanced search features. First, you'll enter any terms that you're interested in searching for in the search bar. Next, you'll come down to the advanced search feature you would like to activate for your search and click on the small gray button across from the search feature you want to activate. When you click on that button, the button will turn blue and the name of that search will appear in a small blue box underneath the search bar, indicating that that search has been activated. You're welcome to activate multiple advanced searches. When you have finished entering all of the advanced searches you would like to apply, you can move your mouse up to the magnifying glass and click to begin your search. If you decide you would like to remove one of these advanced options, you can simply click the blue button and it will turn back to the gray unactivated button. Finally, if you'd like to quickly clear all of the advanced search features at once, you can hit the small X in a circle in the search bar, or you can use the blue reset button at the bottom of the search options menu.